So let's go ahead and detangle. I'm just breaking my hair into sections. Oh look, oh my gosh. So easy to separate the sections. Okay, so I'm just gonna clip the rest of it back and I'm just gonna detangle this first area here. Wow. Come on, King of Nature. Hey you guys, welcome back to my real life vlogs. It's been a fun-filled weekend, you guys. It's been a whirlwind, so I'm kind of coming down off of that. But I am excited because I'm on my way out to Sally's Beauty because I'm gonna be picking up some new products for my hair. So you guys may have noticed that I haven't really been doing much hair content lately because I've really just honestly been uninspired by hair stuff because my hair is so damaged. I have really just been neglecting it and just kind of putting it to the side. It's kind of fallen down the priority totem pole just based on all the other things that are happening in my life. So I've been wearing a lot of protective styles, wigs and braids and things like that, just to kind of hide my hair so that I don't have to deal with it. I recently did a video talking about the damage that my hair has sustained, but I actually have a bunch of new damage that I need to update you guys on. So in today's video, this is going to be all about my hair and how I am finally embarking on an intentional hair repair journey for myself. And I'm going to be bringing you guys along on that journey. This part of the vlog is sponsored by Cream of Nature. And I cannot wait to share with you guys these brand new products that they've launched specifically formulated for damaged hair. My hair may not be aspirational, but my journey and my story could be inspirational. So I definitely want to share it with you guys. So let's go. So I just made me a smoothie, okay? And we're gonna take it to go. So come on, guys. Hello. Good, thanks. So have you guys heard of these new products? I'm actually headed into my local Sally Beauty Supply to pick them up, but I will put a link in the description box with a store locator where you can find the store nearest to you that carries these products. Okay, you guys, I am back home. I just picked up Ann from therapy on my way in from Sally's. And Ann is on her way upstairs to play. It's playtime as we go into nap time, right? I'm gonna give her a little sippy cup and then I'm going to talk to you guys for a moment, right? So let me go set up my camera upstairs. Come on, Ann, come on. Oh yeah. Okay, you guys, I got Ann in her room. She's all settled in, watching her YouTube cartoon and everything. So I'm just gonna talk to you guys a really quick moment about my hair. So I did a video not too long ago, maybe like a year ago or something, where I was talking about my damaged hair. So if you guys haven't seen that one and you do want to kind of get caught up on the history of my hair, then definitely click that link. I'll put it up here and also in the description box. But today, honey, we are talking about the Cream of Nature PLEX Breakage Defense System. This is a system of 3 products, only 3 products, which was really good to hear for me because that means that it's probably gonna be super easy to incorporate into my regimen. Like I didn't want anything for my hair that I had to like mix and store at this temperature and use it on this day and use it this many times and all that. So I didn't want anything that was going to be complicated. So this is perfect for me. These products are very affordable and are available at most hair care retailers. So all you have to do is just go online and check. I actually have a link in the description box with a store locator for you guys so that you can check and see where the nearest location is to you where you can find these products. So I haven't used them yet, so I don't have any opinions to share. I just want to talk to you guys about sort of my expectations based on what these products promise to do. I am going to be using them exclusively over the next 6 weeks. So there is a timeline in place. So I do want to share with you guys my journey in using these products and kind of sharing what's happening to my hair through this. And then I want to share like this sort of big reveal of my results at the end of the 6 weeks. So this is going to be a fun journey and I'm actually pretty excited about it. So with the program, it comes in 3 steps. Step 1 is this pre-treatment. It's a bond mender and it reinforces weak bonds and helps fill in fragile strands. So this is basically the product that you will be using on your hair first as part of step 1 in the system. And then we move on to step 2, which is a restoring shampoo. This thing moisturizes and nourishes and removes impurities and buildup. Gotta have this. And then lastly, step 3, which is the restoring conditioner. This thing moisturizes and improves the appearance of dry, damaged strands. So with this 3-step system, it's looking like what it's going to be doing is helping to repair the hair strands, right? 1 strand at a time from the inside out, while also providing kind of that style element that a lot of us look for with damaged hair. You want your hair to look good, right? Regardless of the damage that it has sustained, you still gotta go to this event, you gotta go to this wedding, you gotta go to this thing, and you want your hair to look good. Also through this journey, you guys, I'm going to be trimming my hair, right? So I'm going to be not only trying to improve the quality of my hair, but I'm also going to be getting rid of a lot of my problem areas. So I am going to be trimming my hair throughout this process. So you guys, I'm just saying, stay tuned because you are going to see a transformation on my hair, okay? I don't wanna do anything drastic. I thought long and hard about what haircut I would get, but I don't wanna do anything too drastic. I just want to improve the appearance of my hair. Honestly, if you have damaged hair and you want to go on this journey with me, let's do it together. I am starting this system today. If you go out and grab these products, you can start it with me. I'll be giving you guys updates and whatnot on social media so we can kind of like share our experiences as we go through this process to see what these products are all about. So again, special thanks to Cream of Nature for sponsoring this portion of my vlog. But you guys, I am legitimately excited to give these products a try and share my results. So let me show you guys what my hair sort of looks like, okay? So this is the state that my hair is in currently. I want to document the before so that the after we can really sort of see how far my hair has come. So if you saw my last hair damage whatever video, I talked a lot about the state of my hair postpartum. That's where I sustained most of the damage. That's where the biggest transformation came with my hair. It was a whole new head of hair that I am just like, whose head is this? I lost a lot of nutrients and things postpartum. I feel like my hair was a lot more vulnerable, and so I feel like right after I gave birth, I remember coming home and wanting to be refreshed and have like this different look, so I went and straightened my hair, and after that it was heat damage all over my hair, okay? So that was the first thing that happened, and this was, you know, 2 years ago or whatever. And then shortly after that, I colored my hair this ginger blonde color. It is a Cream of Nature color. I feel like that also contributed to the damage. I really didn't care, you guys. I'm just gonna be honest. I was at a point where I just really wanted to experiment with my hair and just try something new. I was sort of desperate for it. I mean, after you have a baby, sometimes it can kind of change your perspective on things. You are just really, a lot of times for women, kind of desperate to get back to yourself, the way you felt about yourself before your body had all those changes. And I was just really after a fresh new look. I wanted to feel cute. I wanted to feel sexy. My hair was just really vulnerable ongoing from that point, and I sustained some more damage like breakage and then some more additional heat damage. So the areas where the heat damage remains, most of it is gone because it broke off. Most of the color broke off too, but right around here there is some new heat damage. A lot of breakage happened right at the crown and in the back. So my hair in the back is really, really short. And then it's really short up here at the top. And as you can see, there's no color at the top because it all broke off. And then the rest of my hair, you know, is just kind of going with the flow. A lot of factors contributed to my hair and the state that it's in right now. So there's no like one set thing that affected me. It was pretty much a collection of events that caused my hair to be like this. So this is my before. So that's it for this. Thanks for listening. Good morning, you guys. It's the next day. I just got back home from the gym, hopped in the shower, and I started using my Cream of Nature PLEX Breakage Defense 3-step system. And I wanted to share with you guys my initial thoughts on everything just as I'm using it for the first time. So here we go. I just finished the system. Right now the conditioner is still in my hair. I started off using step 1, which is the pre-treatment. It's a bond mender. So what you're supposed to do is apply a generous amount of this to your hair. Your hair can be wet or dry, but you just want to saturate it all around and leave it on there for 10 minutes. So it's really thick. And a little goes a really long way. So I actually had squirted like 5 pumps onto my hand, and I was just putting it all over my head, and like that was enough. And all of these products work together. So you do need to get all 3 if you expect to see some results. So you have to start off with this, and then I went ahead and shampooed. You guys know Cream of Nature has the best shampoos. I mean, we know this, right? So the shampoo was amazing, and it just felt really nice, and my hair was extremely detangled with, you know, with using the shampoo. And then when I rinsed it out, I was really surprised that my hair didn't feel stripped at all, because this product boasts its ability to remove impurities and buildup. And a lot of times when products promise that, your hair is a little squeaky afterwards. And so this was not like that at all. This was really, really nice. And then the final step is the conditioner. And so that's what's on my hair now. And I can already tell you guys that my hair feels so juicy. It feels really, really juicy, and my strands are extremely slippery. So to me, it's obvious that this is a breakage defense program. So I'm about to detangle my hair and get it ready for the day because I need to run to the grocery store. I do have some errands and things, and I want to get my hair in a presentable state so that I can head out. So let's go ahead and detangle. I'm just breaking my hair into sections. Oh look, oh my gosh. So easy to separate the sections. Okay, so I'm just gonna clip the rest of it back, and I'm just gonna detangle this first area here. Wow. Come on, team of nature. Why is my hair already detangled, you guys? And it was in a pretty tangled state before I hopped in the shower. Let me just say that. Wow. Wow, I'm impressed. I am impressed. I'm losing it. My hair is, y'all, you know what I'm saying? Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish detangling this, and I'm going to put it in little twists like the good old days. And then I'm gonna rinse the conditioner out when I'm done with this. But you guys, as I was in the shower, I was already thinking like, I'm gonna use so much of these products. So I'm already needing to head back to Sally's and get some more, because I'm already knowing that I'm gonna use so much of this in the 6 weeks. But look, oh, look how juicy and shiny. Oh! I could like pretend I have healthy hair. I could. Wow, y'all. I really like it so far. I really like it so far. And a lot of times with products that claim to do this and do that, I get a little nervous because I always think that when I use the product, it's gonna be so powerful and so harsh on my hair that it's going to make it feel like crunchy or brittle, you know, just because it's trying to do too much. But this Cream of Nature PLEX breakage defense is like so gentle. Like, look at this. Yeah, now I see why it's breakage defense, because your hair can't break if it's this soft. How can your hair break if it's this soft and easy to comb through? Wow, you guys. And so you can kind of tell where some of the damaged areas of my hair live. And those are the areas that I'm going to be trimming off. I know a lot of people, you know, noticed the damage, quite understandably. If I'm doing a hair tutorial, you'll notice that my hair is damaged. And a lot of people were suggesting to me that I cut my hair. Now, here's how I feel about just kind of rushing to the scissors when you have damage. Just like any problem in life, you know, there's the quick fix and then there's the long-term fix. And I just feel like a lot of times if your hair is damaged, just cutting it is going to just be one of those short-term fixes. Yes, in the short term, your hair is gonna look a lot better and probably feel better and all that stuff. And to the naked eye, it looks like, oh, you've solved your damaged hair problem. But you really haven't if you haven't addressed your habits that cause that damage. You're gonna be cutting your hair again. And for me, cutting my hair to maintain it in a healthy state is not the smartest decision, especially if you don't really like having short hair. And I'm not really a huge fan of having very short hair. I like having long hair. I like my fro to, you know, look a certain way, hit my shoulders at a certain length. I don't want to have short hair long term. So what I felt was that I didn't need to cut my hair right away to address the damage. I needed to address my tactics and the way I was handling my hair and my habits. And so that's why I wanted to try this program, because I felt like it was gonna help me address my hair care routine. And that's where the problem really lies, you know? Because y'all know I used to take really good care of my hair, but then I became a mom, and that really just made me like have to reprioritize my time. And my hair just fell off the priority list because I was just like, look, I can just throw this stuff in a ponytail and go on about my day, because I just had so many other things that were more important to do. That's why I wanted to share this journey with you guys, because I feel like somebody out there needs to hear this. Somebody out there is going through the same thing where they care about their hair, but they just really don't have the time to put the effort into it because you have so many other things going on in your life. And that's okay. But that's why I'm gonna recommend these products to you guys, because, I mean, look at that. Look how juicy. You guys, and this is coming from a head of like super dry, brittle hair. And my hair can be this juicy and moisturized. Like, I don't have any other products here that will do this for my hair. I don't. I am just really excited. I'm excited to get back to my healthy state. You know, I'm excited to see the transformation, and this is amazing. It's making my detangling process so easy. Like, look at that. Curls don't show up unless the hair is moisturized, you guys. I am loving it. So I'm thinking I'll use this system for the next 2 to 3 weeks, and then at that point, I'm going to go ahead and start my trimming, and I'm going to go to a stylist most likely to execute the trimming. So I will bring you guys along for all of that. So definitely stay tuned. I hope you guys care to stay tuned. If you plan on following my PLEX journey, comment below and let me know. If you plan on going on a PLEX journey with me and we can kind of do this together, then let me know that as well in the comments. But you guys can follow my hashtag, my PLEX journey, because I'm going to be sharing every step of the way. I'm going to be sharing lots of pictures, lots of quick video clips and things, just kind of sharing with you guys where I am in the process as we go along the process. And if you want to join me in that and you want to put a hashtag on your photos and videos, please do, because I will be checking them out. But yeah, I mean, I know this is something a little bit different from the usual content that I share in my vlogs, but I really wanted to share this with you guys because I think it can be helpful. I think it can be inspirational, and it's real at the end of the day. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next vlog. Bye.